whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā kona whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira whakarongo pi kari mai. Hare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Kei aku tītoko o te rangi, kei aku manu taupua. Huri noa i te motu tēnā koutou, nau mai hoki mai o tira te ao, kei wareware au te ao ne hoa.
Ai, kei wareware te ao i a tāua.
Tika. Nau mai hoki mai anei ki te punua pāho o Taringa, e whakapāho atu nei i te wānanga o te roa, i te piki taone, Bustling Metropolis o te ao mutu. And it's still just, well not just, but you know what I mean, ko tāua e hoa.
Ko tāua.
Ia, me te aroha tonu ki a Erica.
Ai.
E me mana tō tāua kupu e haere nei tāua ki te kite i aia a tōna wā.
Ia, kia rite koe karanga mai.
Ai. So yes, welcome back to Taringa e te iwi, and have we got a show for you i te rā nei? He kaupapa kei te haere. Engari mua i te rā, tēnā kia huri, and kei roto i tēnei kiwaha te tīwhiri. So anei te kiwaha. Anei te kiwaha, kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
Kāre mau te kēhua te whai. Cool.
Koina, and kiwaha tēnei no roto mai o Ngāti Porou.
Kia ora. Ai, tika.
Yes, and I heard actually my mate Kōtuku Tibu used to use this one.
Yep.
And I wasn't too sure about the origin of the kiwaha, except that it was a Ngāti Porou. He was a proud Ngāti Porou man, e Ngāti Raukawa, e Ngāti Tūwharetoa. But I heard him use this kiwaha, and a couple of other people say I went to the whānau Tibu just to seek te māramatanga, te whakamāramatanga mo tēnei kiwaha, and where it's from. So it's from Reporua, and it basically means you're so fast not even a ghost can catch you.
Wow.
Or me, depending on the...
Yeah.
Oh, look, man, he's off. Kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
That's so cool if you get it all out, eh?
Yeah.
Kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
Yeah. And actually another rendering is just the kē. Kāre mau te kē te whai.
Choice.
Yeah. So that's one of those nativisms.
Yeah.
I guess it's just part of idiom and kiwaha nera.
Yeah.
How some of the words are chopped.
Chopped, that you get it because you know how long that word's been used, so you get it. Kāre mau te kē te whai.
Yeah, so like she took off, you know, she was so fast, kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
Wow.
What's that? I might be showing my age, that Ben Johnson or...
Ben Johnson.
Maybe it's wrong, I don't know. It's one of those Olympic runners from way back.
Tony? No.
What about Usain Bolt?
Usain Bolt. There we are, 2020.
Yeah, Usain Bolt, kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
Yeah, so if you get, Pātara Berryman and Tuma Harawira, Matai Kepa, when you fellas are doing commentary for the rugby or for kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
Ai, parareana ngā waha ne.
Parareana ngā waha, yeah.
You know, I purely watch it sometimes just to listen to you fellas. So,
yeah,
you know,
same.
he mihi tērā.
Yeah, same man.
Te mea kāre e whai i tērā kēmu.
Ai.
Yeah. So, yeah, pēnā parare ana te waha, kāre mai te kēhua te whai. Talking so fast, not even a ghost can catch what you're saying. That's a cool kiwa,
That's a cool kiwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, oh, geez, I raru toku puku ina pina pōra, kāre mai te kēhua te whai.
The interesting thing to me is the kōrero behind a kēhua.
Yeah.
You know, and that not even a ghost could catch you. So there's our tīwhiri at te iwi. So yeah, on that notion, or kaupapa, we're introducing a new series within Taringa.
Wow.
And this, I'm trying to put on my horror reading voice.
Horror voice.
We've called Paki Kēhua.
Kia ora.
Which I think is a generalisation because I think some of the stories you may share, but anyway, they're ghost stories.
They're ghost stories, yeah.
Okay.
Not slap a ghost.
No.
Kāre mau te kēhua te whai.
And there's going to, at the moment, we don't know how many we're going to have at the moment, do we?
No, not yet.
We're just going to go with the wairua. Excuse the pun.
Excuse the pun.
I wasn't even punning. It was until I said it that I thought.
Yeah.
And it will open up conversations, I'm sure. Engari, yeah. So the kōrero that you'll be hearing are based on stories, happenings that we've experienced.
Kia ora.
Ka pai. Or they might be in relation to places where we know and we've taken some poetic license in writing them. And I'm reminded of the series Mataku.
Aye.
Hey.
Yeah, that was a cool one.
Some of them I really liked, and some of them I thought were a bit corny.
Yeah. I know the ones that you're thinking about, the ones I'm thinking of.
I think it was the costumes. The Ponaturi one was corny.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that one,
yeah.
the Ponaturi?
And the tree, eh?
Yeah.
Was there a tree at the end?
I don't remember if there was a tree, but there was someone it was because it's to do with the ocean.
Yeah.
Anyway, so called Paki.
Nah, yeah, I know the one you're talking about. Yeah, that was corny.
Yeah, I think that was the corniest
I
one.
think it's because it's hard to portray such concepts sometimes, so you just make it corny, yeah.
So, Paki Kēhua, and, every culture, people, identity have these stories within their whānau.
Kia ora.
And communities. And, you can call it superstition if you want. I roto I a mātou, it's quite real.
Yeah.
And I grew up with these Paki Kēhua, as you would have, or hearing them in passing, or they'd come out in conversations. So we wanted to share, sort of recreate that space and recreate or give a bit of, not that it needs some oomph, but just do something different with Once Upon a Taima.
Yeah, put some imaginative, fill the air with some noises that will, or sound effects that will give you, not like Hitchcock sound effects, but, ones that will summon those.
Man, I've started watching old Hitchcock films.
Have you?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're cool. I'd only seen The Birds, Psycho.
Yeah. Psycho's the only one I've watched.
Yeah, there's some good ones, man. Yeah, I'll share them. Maybe we'll get old Plex Master.
Plex Master.
Anyway, so here we're introducing our first Paki Kēhua, and the title of it is What's Cooking? Whakarongo mai.
Me whakarongo pi kari kari.
E taku rangatira, ko mau ia mātou te ruahine a parangi. My lord, we have captured the malevolent witch. We have captured te...
Kāti! Te whakahuatia tōna ingoa. Koi mākutu tia tātou e te wehi o tōna ingoa. Her name shan't be spoken. At least we are cursed by the evil of her name. Tēnā, watu te atua kiko kiko, ki ngā umu tangata. Take this demon to the human ovens! Here a ia ki te kōhuki. Tie her to the spit. Huki huki a! Huki huki a! Tango hea te mōka. Remove her gag. E te mūrau o te wenarau. You have terrorized these lands long enough. Your armies are no more! And you shall pay for your war crimes upon our people! Ka motu, kei tō hā tonu te hau, o taku te maiti. Nō reira, ka kaingia koe au, ko koe, ko tamahara. Furthermore, the scent of my son still lingers on your breath. Thus, you shall be consumed by me. You shall be the object of my revenge! taonga ki au. Ko ona taringa hei ngaungau mā te pero o taku tama. Burn this devil until cooked. Leave the heart for me. Her heirs to be a chewable for the dog of my son. Tonight, men, we appease our god of war, Taringa, and the loss of my son, who was eaten by the evil sorceress. Tonight, men, we feast!
Once upon a Taima, many centuries ago, in a small Waikato village, during the ongoing disputes between iwi, was a place used as umu tangata, an area where great earth ovens were stoked, with blazing wood fires day and night. The bodies of enemies were brought to be cooked and eaten, as a final act of vengeance over one's opponent. For to be cooked, eaten, and turned into excrement was regarded as the ultimate humiliation for a poor soul who had fallen during a fight. However, sometimes it was more than just flesh that was consumed.
Babe, can you give Dion a wriggle on for bed, please? He's faffing around the bathroom again.
Huh? Again? Yep, sure, hun, sorry. Real good show on Netflix about slow cooking barbecue. It's a bit addictive.
Oh, the Great Cook-Off show? Yes, pretty good, eh? I wish I could cook like that.
Dion! Have you brushed your teeth yet? You've been in there 10 minutes. Then what are you doing in there? Hurry up and go get your PJs on. Now, or there'll be no stories for sleep time.
Hey, have you fed the dog tonight, babe?
Nah, not yet. Little rat was trying to lick the kitchen floor while I cooked dinner, so I got annoyed at him and sent him to bed.
Oh, well, maybe he was doing that because he's hungry, babe. Come on. Come here, Hello. Come on. I'll give you your dinner. Poor little fella. Yeah, Mummy's a meanie, eh? Yeah, that's right. Come here. Hey. Oh, yeah, I'm your favourite, eh? Come on. All right. Here's your dog biscuits. Sit. Go get it. Good boy.
Later that evening, Malcolm and Anna are watching their usual dose of Netflix on their giant 4K TV when...
So funny when he does that, eh? He's been doing it a lot lately.
Yeah, it's so cute, eh? Do you think he's having a little doggy dream or something?
Probably, yeah. He's most likely chasing after Raywin's cats from next door. Only in his dream he can actually jump over the fence.
He wouldn't know what to do with them if he did catch one. He's a silly little sook of a dog.
Yeah, true.
You know, Jules at work was saying the other day that apparently Māori believe that when a dog does that, it's a sign of some kind of... I can't remember what the sign meant. But yeah, she said there was fully some history behind it.
You believe in that Maori stuff? What a load of bollocks. Probably just something somebody made up.
Well, I don't know, hun. I was just saying that I heard someone talking about it.
Yeah, well, it's pointless. There's no evidence behind old superstitions. You know what I believe? Science. Science and facts. Yep, real things that you can see and touch.
Okay, babe, whatever. It was just passing comment.
Anyway, time for bed, eh? I got work early in the morning. I have to go and meet Dino to go and pick up that trailer for the wreckers.
Yeah, I'm tired as. Dion was awake at 5 a.m. this morning. Little Energizer battery. Don't forget, we have Richard and Stacey coming for dinner in the weekend too.
Oh, I'll get some ribs from the butcher to do on the barbecue, eh?
Sure, babe. Just don't ever smoke them like you did the last time, okay?
Yeah. Right. Come on, Ilo. Time for bed.
Good luck. He was just fast asleep in dog dreamland, and now you want him to get up and go outside into his cold kennel? Poor puppy. Who's the meanie now, hey?
Oh, shush. Come on, boy. Come on. Come here. Right, good boy. Off you go to your kennel. Babe, did you light a bonfire down the back tonight?
Nah, not today, babe. Might still be smouldering from the weekend, though.
Yeah, it just smells kind of fresh, though. Like it's quite close.
Maybe Roger's caught something on fire in his garage again.
Nah, this doesn't smell like a Roger welding fire. This is sort of meaty.
Oh, yeah. Wow, bit late for a barbecue, eh? Someone's having a mean feed somewhere.
Yeah, it kind of makes me hungry again.
No snacking before bedtime, remember, babe. Come on.
Yeah.
The weather in the towns and cities today with Met Service, Taima and Tainare.
Okay, you two. I'll see you after work.
Okay, babe. Drive safe.
Bye, Dad.
See ya. What the? Babe, come look at this.
What is it, babe? Oh. Dion! Did you take the fire ashes right out to the compost like I asked you?
Yes, Mum, why?
Well, you've spilt half of it on the doorstep, buddy. Can you come and clean it up, please?
Look, I've got to go, babe, but that doesn't look like our fire ashes. It's kind of lumpy and black, not like white ashy wood flakes.
Yeah, I know, but what else could it be?
True. Still, just kind of looks... Ah! Oh, it's still hot. What the actual...
Don't worry about it, babe. You've got to go.
Yeah, okay. See ya.
See you tonight. Don't forget the ribs for tomorrow.
Yep.
Dad, guess what? Miss T taught us to count to 5 in Māori today at school. Cool, eh?
Hey, what's she teaching you that for? Not much use in that. Everyone talks English in this country. English?
Babe, that's a bit harsh.
Sorry, son.
She taught us a karakia for starting each day too. It goes... E te atua, e te ori, nei...
Did you know that he's getting taught that stuff at school, babe?
It's fine. It's just a bit of cultural awareness.
I know. I just... You know, he can barely spell English properly. He doesn't need another language thrown in the mix.
Yeah, I hear you. Just... Can you try and have an open mind a bit? Just humour him, please. He's really stoked being able to count in another language. What harm can it do?
I just don't see the point, you know. But yeah, okay.
Why do I?
Okay, buddy, can you show me that counting thing again?
Okay, it goes... tahi, rua... You try, Dad.
Okay, taha?
No, tahi, Dad. Like he in the haka.
Oh, okay, tahi?
Yep, that's it, Dad. Cool. Okay, next is rua.
Okay, rua? What's next?
Toro.
Say it again?
Toro.
What is that for number
3.
3? Okay. So, should we do it together?
Appropriate? You never carried us around as proudly as you're carrying around that.
All right, bedtime, boy. Come on. Come here. Come on. All right. Out you go. Go on. Oh, that smell. It's still there, babe.
Yeah, I know. It's been 3 or 4 nights in a row now, eh?
Yeah, I'm sure it's getting stronger too. Yuck.
Close the door, babe, quick. It's getting a bit sickening.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I gotta be honest, Anna, this is becoming a bit weird, like every night.
Except Saturday, when you oversmoked those ribs again, and we had to get fish and chips for Richard and Stacey.
Yes, okay, you were right. The cherry wood burns way quicker. Sorry. It was actually pretty embarrassing.
Oh, please. Rich and Stacey don't care. They thought it was hilarious.
I'm sure. Right, I'm off to bed anyway.
I'm going to stay up for a bit. Got a few more emails to send. Night.
Night, babe.
That night, the smell of hot cooking only intensified. The family's sleep was restless, and the next morning they awoke to a rather worrying discovery.
Dad, wake up. Something's wrong with Arlo.
Why'd you wake me up, Dion?
Arlo's got a sore ear. Quick, Dad, he looks real sad.
What? What's a sore ear? What do you mean? Where is he?
He's in his bed.
Okay, hang on. Oh, what is that?
Is he gonna be okay, Daddy?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, he is. I think he just caught his ear on something in the night.
It's okay, Arlo. It's okay.
Caught his ear on something. What are you on about?
Yeah, okay, so obviously it's not that, but I don't want to freak Dion out. I don't know what's going on, but something's messing with us. First that cooking smell, and then the embers at the door, and now this.
Babe, this is not good. It looks like someone's burnt him.
I know it's not good. I know,
We should call the police.
And tell them what? Someone's been barbecuing late at night and a dog went scavenging? Yeah, they're really gonna buy that.
Well, what do you suggest then?
I don't know. Maybe you should ask your mate Jules about what the Maori superstitions think.
That's not fair, babe. It was just a passing comment.
Yeah, but he's been doing that barking thing every night. Bang on 10 p.m. too. Maybe there is something in it. I don't know.
Oh, come on. I thought you believed in facts and science.
Well, I do. Fact is, our house reeks of smoke and cooking meat, and our dog has a burnt ear. Honestly.
You've got to go to work, babe. You'll be late.
Yeah, okay. I might stop in at the pub for a drink tonight and see what Gary reckons.
Good luck with that. I'll take Arlo to the vet and get it checked out anyway.
Okay.
And so they went about their day. Malcolm was worried. He couldn't get the smell out of his nostrils and the overwhelming feeling like something was off at the kāinga. Anna took the little dog to the vet, who dressed his ear with burn cream. At the local pub, Malcolm's friend Gary was nowhere to be seen, but he found himself sitting next to an old karawa at the bar.
He ha tō mate e tama. What's troubling you, son? You look a bit hoha.
Oh, man. I don't know. There's just been this smoky cooking smell near our place late at night the last few days. And I can't figure out where it's coming from. And the missus is getting a bit freaked out by it. And our little dog somehow burned himself on something last night. It's just, it's a bit unsettling, to be fair.
He oi rā, nō tau. That all you worried about? You young fellas these days wouldn't know a real problem if it bit you on the arse.
Thanks for the advice, mate. Big help.
Sorry, e tā. Sounds like it's just the neighbour cooking up some of his old home cool from the bottom of the freezer, eh? Nothing like some tero or when the goat meat goes blue, eh? Good for the puku, that kai. Another round, eh?
Nah. I probably shouldn't. Thanks, though. A bit blurry-eyed already. I ran out of time for lunch and it's kind of gone straight to my head.
Yeah, me au hoki. I should probably quit while I'm ahead. I've only had the one. Want a ride, boy? Come on, I'll give you a ride home.
Actually, yeah, that'd be good. Cheers. Hey, do you mind me asking you a question about,
Oh, where? I only offered you a ride home, boy. Besides, you're not my type.
What? No. I want to ask you about something,
What? Māori stuff?
Yeah, sorry. I just didn't want to offend. you know.
He aha tō pātai, boy.
Eh?
What's the story? Spit it out, come on.
Oh, okay. Well, do you know anything about if, like, a dog barks in his sleep? Kind of like they're having a dream or something?
I might. Why is that?
Well, okay, you're gonna laugh, but our little Jack Russell Arlo, bang on 10 p.m. every night, he starts
Same time every night.
Oh, yeah, well, only the last few weeks or so, but yeah.
Okay. Well, e ai ki ngā kōrero, the old people would say it's because there's a kēhua around.
What, you mean like a ghost?
Yeah, the gullah-gullahs. Aye, a ghost. Or more like spirits, ne?
Damn it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. I forgot to tell you where to turn off. You have to turn around. It's back there.
Ka pai. All good.
Okay, sweet. It's just up here a bit. Yep, turn left here.
Up here?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Where? Here? You live here? You didn't tell me that.
Well, yeah, why? Why? What do you want about?
Hang on. Look, lad, do you know what this area was used for a long time ago?
What, you mean before we moved here, or...?
Nah, before then, maybe a few 100 years ago.
How would I know that?
Oi, boy, listen up. Up there, just past that corner, used to be umu tangata. That practiced kai tangata up there.
A what?
A place where they ate people, boy. Kai tangata.
Eh? I thought that was just a myth.
Well, some people would like to say that because it's a hard truth to admit. But yep, it definitely happened. And up there, that was where they did it.
Oh, nice one, old fella. You nearly had me there. You nearly had me. Umu tangata. Even had a scary name for it too, eh? Choice one. Oh, thanks heaps for the ride home, mate. Bit of a lifesaver, actually.
Pono marika, boy. You might want to look out up there. If you don't...
Stop it, man. You don't need to carry on. You got me. I get it. Try and trick the stupid drunk Paki, fella. Very funny. Right, anyway, catch you later, bro. Cheers.
Walking up his dim moonlit driveway, Malcolm could just make out the outline of a small child.
Ah! What the heck? Dion, what are you doing out here? Scared the bejesus out of me. Come on, buddy. Let's get you back to bed.
Malcolm took the hand of who he thought was his son Dion's, only to feel a cold, ashy little hand in his, causing him to stop in his tracks. Malcolm looked down to what he hoped would be his son. However, looking back up at him, stared a young Māori boy with black smoking holes as eyes. Frozen and now sober, Malcolm stared back in fright. The smoky smell of cooking flesh filled the night air, burning Malcolm's nostrils. The little hand in his frightened grip heated up like a hangi rock, snapping Malcolm back to his body, giving him the sense to let go and jump back.
We're taking her home.
No. This isn't real. Get away from me.
We're taking her home.
Malcolm had full view of a little Māori boy, no older than Dion, draped in no more than a singed dog-skin loincloth. His skin melted from flame, smoke seething from his boiling wounds. But more horrifically, in his little hand he held what seemed to be a beating, pulsating heart.
We're taking her home. We're taking her home.
I'm sorry. Whatever I've done, I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me.
We're taking her home. We're taking her home. We're taking her home. We're taking her. We're taking her.
What is that?
Just Just then, a painful shriek ripped through the air, echoing through the suburban cul-de-sac. A dark cloud of smoke billowed from the street drains and manholes, gathering into a thick, floating tar mass at the foot of Malcolm's driveway. Two fiery eyes appeared in the cloud of death as it rolled up the driveway toward the boy and Malcolm. The great mass stopped right behind the boy. A dark hand appeared over one shoulder as another took the pulsating heart into its grasp, engulfing the boy, causing him to disappear into the dark abyss. The burning eyes stared into Malcolm, piercing his soul. Malcolm was held by the stare of this dark mass for what seemed an eternity, and in the blink of an eye, it was gone.
What? Are you still here?
Whoa, babe, are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Okay, shh. Dion's in bed, asleep. Come, sit down.
I don't want to sit down. Just, I think I saw a ghost.
Eh?
A ghost. Like a big cloud of smoke. Seriously, he was right next to your car on the driveway, and then this big cloud of like black smoke with fiery eyes came from the street, and then it just kind of rolled up, and then it like sucked him in, and I don't know. I had a few beers, and I got a ride home with that old guy from the bar, and then it kind of freaked me out, and maybe I imagined it. I don't know, but just.
It's okay, babe. Seriously, you look horrible. Just sit down.
That old guy, he backed up what Jules said about the dogs barking in their sleep.
What? That it's a bad sign?
Nah, apparently, Maori, they
It's Māori, babe.
Okay, not the time, seriously. But yeah, he said that the elders believed it meant a spirit was present. A spirit! Holy smokes! I'm shaking.
So he freaked you out because of that?
Yeah, but then we pulled into our street, and then it goes real quiet, right? And I thought he was just trying to scare me, you know? But then he said real serious that right here, or just up around the corner, is where they used to eat people. Right over there, babe. They ate people.
Ah, right. Damn. What else did he say?
I don't know. I thought he was having me on, so I just jumped out of the car laughing, you know? I thought I heard him say something about being in trouble, and then I walked down the driveway, and then I thought it was Dion standing there, but it wasn't. It was this creepy little boy who had no eyes, and he was all burned. I swear it, babe, I'm not making this up. He even burnt my hand. Look!
Babe, there's nothing on your hand.
I'm telling the truth, babe.
Yeah, well, you better be, because Alu just went crazy in one of his doggy dreams about 5 minutes ago. Kept going on for ages, and that smell was the strongest it's ever been. Then suddenly, it just stopped.
Oh man, oh man, oh man! This is some seriously creepy stuff.
Wait, did he say anything? I can't believe I'm saying this, but the ghost?
Well, yeah, but it was kind of echoey and distant. It was so surreal, I think it was in Maori, and it was wet or wete kina or something.
Okay, babe. Just here, have a sip of my tea and try to sit still for a bit. Jeez, you're sweating like a pig.
I feel really tired all of a sudden.
Yeah, well, I bet you forgot to have lunch again, didn't you?
I can't even think about eating ever again right now. I don't know what to do, babe. I'm so scared.
I do.
Malcolm slept a deep sleep of troubled dreams. In the dream, he was walking in a shallow river that had smooth stones on its bed. As he looked down to check his footing for each step, he saw that the stones were in the shapes of hands, feet, legs and heads. And no matter where he tried to step, he couldn't stop standing on them. At the end of the dream, he saw the boy who was holding out a small item in his hand. As he drew closer, Malcolm's vision focused on the boy's open palm, and in it, he saw a burnt dog's ear.
Good morning, sleepyhead. You slept in a bit.
It was a horrible night.
Yeah, I know, babe. It's okay. I've got a plan, and we're going to get this sorted.
I hope so, because this is not fun. What's the time? I'll call Dino and tell him I'm not coming in.
Already done, babe. Come on, let's go. We'll drop Dion off at school on the way.
Okay, hang on. I've got to get dressed.
Hey, sorry folks, we don't open till 1 p.m.
I know, sorry. Look, I'm wondering if you might know where that old guy lives. You know, the one with the long grey hair and the glasses?
Oh, Uncle Hone. Yep. Why? Who's asking?
Me. And, him.
Hi.
Ooh, few too many last night, eh, bro?
Yeah, something like that.
Your car still there, Cass? I assume you still want it?
Yeah, just, can you tell us where to find that guy Hone or not?
Yeah, I was just messing with you, bro. He hangs out then at the pa. Over the river, first road on your right. You'll see it.
Okay, thanks, mate.
All good. Hey, everything all right? You fellas seem a bit spooked.
Huh. Funny you should say that.
And so, Malcolm and Anna find themselves coming up the driveway of a large marae complex. They notice a few cars parked to the side. However, no one can be seen.
Man, I hope he's here.
I'm not sure I want to see him again. Bad association, you know.
Oh, shush you. You're perfectly safe right now. You're as bad as Arlo. Come on.
You're late. About time you got here. You get the oogity boogities last night, did you?
Hey, how did you know? Is it like a sixth sense you get as Mary?
Yeah. Facebook, bro. Your wife put a post up on the community page last night.
Hey, man. I'm so sorry. You weren't joking. I thought you were having me on, eh? But then, after you left, when I walked down the driveway, I saw this ghost, like a ghost boy. Only he was like standing there right in front of me, and then he took my hand and he like burnt my hand, and then I looked at his eyes.
Kyoto. Come on, let's go and have a cup of tea, eh? You can tell us all about it.
Hone took the couple into the wharekai, where Malcolm was able to calmly tell them of his experience. Malcolm told them of the interaction in his driveway that night and how he was captured by the stare of the dark, smoky entity.
So I was like transported away to another time as a little boy, but I was still me. And I remember the feeling of home and how I knew it was my street and house. But centuries before, I was shown years of intertribal wars between a warlord and a powerful sorceress, all like sort of flashed in front of me like a slideshow. She captured me because they had killed her child, so she ate my eyes. And so the warlord captured her and consumed her heart. And I remember a dog chewing on her ears. It was so clear though, like I could feel the emotions, you know? The familiarity of the smells and even the love and pain from both peoples. Man, it was freaky.
Well, no one's going to believe that down the pub, are they? But the good news is, this is pretty easy to sort out, boy. The bad news is, I can't do it for you. You're going to have to do it yourselves.
Do what?
Release him.
I knew it!
You did?
Yeah, last night when you sort of passed out, I looked on Māori Dictionary and looked up some of the words you reckoned you heard the ghost saying, and I found out what wetakina means. Release or set free?
Okay, I don't really follow yet.
You're not the driest tea towel in the kitchen, are you, boy? That boy is trapped with that kuia, and even she is trapped by the hatred of utu, and probably many others as well.
Trapped? Utu? What?
Remember that bit about the kai tangata? I wasn't joking about that, eh?
Oh, right. So, what? The witch ate that boy, and then so has the soul of that boy in her stomach?
Ew.
Aye, tika. Well, close enough anyway. So, because you're the inhabitants of that space now, and he's clearly asked for your help, you have to free him, and in turn, free them.
Oh, no. How do we do that?
Me karakia koe. You have to bless him and his souls with a karakia. A few karakia, actually. At the right time, and you have to mean it. Ki roto tau manawa nui.
Oh, like from the heart? I know that word from Dion. He taught it to me the other day.
Okay, but we don't know any karakia though.
Ka pai e hoa. I'll teach you.
Eh, but I'm not Maori.
Don't have to be Māori to communicate from your heart, boy. Come on, I'll show you how.
The whole day was filled with Anna and Malcolm's very own wānanga. Hone explained the tikanga behind the practice, the various atua that had graced the whenua, and the people who were its caretakers. And from there, he taught them the karakia for releasing the spirit, clearing the earth, and allowing the wairua to take its journey to its rightful spiritual home. The next night, Malcolm and Anna waited until 10 p.m, or until their little dog Arlo started to have his doggy dream.
Okay, he's doing it. It's here.
I feel like I want to say something.
Go on then, babe.
Hi, my name's Anna. You might know my husband, Malcolm. Well, you sort of made him scream like a girl in our driveway the other night.
Shush.
Anyway, we just wanted to send you our most genuine love and energy of light to help to wetakina you, to release you. If you do decide to stick around, I hope it's okay with you if we can too. We fill our home with the light of love and gratitude. So, yeah. Yep, that's it. Have you got the paper with the karakia on it?
Yeah, I've got it right here. Okay. Here goes. But what if...
From the heart, babe. Speak from the heart.
Okay, here goes. Pinoa, kironga, pinoa, kiraro, pinoa, te hate te o te riri.
And so Malcolm spoke from his heart, the heart of a father, the heart of a son, the heart of a husband, and the heart of a protector. That night the family slept a calm and serene sleep. When the morning light kissed their windowsills, they awoke with lightness to their shoulders, and the home seemed to feel wide open and radiate with light. The family got on with their morning routine and led a loving life. Young Dion went on to learn in a bilingual unit. Anna produced artworks of spiritual expression from stories given on her Facebook post. And Malcolm, well, he got pretty good at smoking ribs. So good that he won the annual Epiro smoke-off 3 years running. But most of all, he had developed an awareness that released him.
I don't want to listen to that one that night.
You don't listen to that one while you're doing your cooking either.
Oh, while you're doing the cooking, yeah.
And you may even think twice this year when you're doing your barbecue and you can smell something.
Yeah, well, be wary of smelling cooking meat in the middle of the night.
Yeah. That was an interesting story.
Yeah, so, what I got out of it was there's always the skeptic, There's always the skeptic, and sometimes I think the skeptic is always the one that gets it the most because it's as if they turn their back, which sort of tempts, sort of tempts the...
I'm okay with the skeptics.
Yeah.
Because I'm not out to prove anything to them.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're skeptical, that's cool. I mean, it was only just a story.
Yeah.
But as we said, it's based on kōrero tukuiho, actual happenings, and this one in particular is about a pā here in Tawamutu that was known for one of the acts of cannibalism.
Kia ora.
There at that pā, and happenings have been relayed to me from people that have stayed there.
Yep.
Of course, it's all suburbia now. It's been developed. It's got homes on it.
Yeah, lovely autumnist trees in the autumn.
Like many of the wāhi tapu within Aotearoa. And across the world, really.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, it also has you remind yourself of acknowledging the area in which you either work, live, or stay, sleep if you're new, or, it's your house, that there may be some acknowledgement that needs to be done. Yeah. And it talks about, I'm reminded of our last kōrero about Wairua and how acknowledging who the first dwellers of that area is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
What I liked about it was it's something, we took some creative license, and ngā mihi nui kia mōkena, that was nāna tērā i tuhi, and again, based on some rangahau and other kōrero.
Right. And where someone lives.
Yeah.
Hey, Morgs.
Yeah, there were some themes in there and some tikanga and kaupapa, I guess, that you'd see in other kōrero like this around the motu.
Yep. Yeah. So, really cool. Really cool. I'm really excited for the next few that are coming up.
Yeah, and the space that'll open up and getting people to provide maybe some feedback with some of their kōrero, or, that's happened to me, or, yeah. So, koina. What's cooking? So, koina te Paki Kēhua tuatai e te iwi, and we've got to have a waiata o te wiki. It's not Thriller by Michael Jackson.
Yeah, no, even though that first thing that came to mind.
Yeah, or the Ghostbusters theme music.
Yeah. We'll try and play a song that'll break up that scary energy.
Yeah. Scary Energy. That'll be a cool name for a band.
Yeah, cool.
Scary Energy.
Scary Energy.
Ai. Hoi anō te iwi, anei te waiata o te wiki, nā...
Te iti kahurangi.
Nā te iti kahurangi, ana ko te ingo te waiata nei ko...
Te iti kahurangi.
E kia ana ko...
Tangi hia.
Whakarongo mai.
Taku iti kahurangi Kwariro nei I te hunga whetu rangi Tia ho mai la To marama
Kani, move that body.
Cool, well, that's about us. And, you know, that inspired me to get onto my Paki Kēhua. We're all writing one, eh?
We're all writing one.
Right. Should we do rocks, paper, scissors now? Who's
For
gonna...
the next one?
Yep. Like,
we're doing it now.
Like, who's going to do the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on 3, right?
Yep.
On 3, right?
On 3, 1, 2,
okay,
3, out.
I'm looking in your eyes, ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, I'm doing the next one. So have you got any good ghost
small
stories?
victory for the day.
It means it relieves some of some May for a little bit.
No, I'm going to still do it, but yours is going to be the first one that we do.
Yeah, we're going to
in the order.
Yeah.
So
if you got any good scary stories, let us know.
And the thing is not all of them are scary.
Yeah, I think perhaps they're Paki Kēhua.
Yeah.
It doesn't say anything about Paki Wehi.
Yeah. So anyway, te iwi
close encounters, I guess.
Don't you love that theme music from X-Files? It's still in my brain. I just watched that.
Yeah. And Unsolved Mysteries.
Yeah, Unsolved Mysteries, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you a ride. That has to be the best
the best one. If you know what that one is in Kiwi, you know.
Kei te tino whakātu tāua i tō tāua pakaketa nei. Hoi no e te iwi, hei ko nā mai rā, a ngā manakitanga nui ki a koutou.
Yo, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing at the hook force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira whakarongo pi kari mai. Hare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Taringa. He mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa, ā nā te māngai pāho I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe. Taringa, whakarongo mai.